Look out for Timothy's lessons in good values. He is the warrior, the warrior of good values. Teaching life lessons to his friends. It's Timothy. Rescuing his friends from danger. It's the warrior. Building confidence and mental strength. Look out for Timothy's lessons in good values. He is the warrior of good values.
Hey everyone, and welcome to Timothy's Lessons. My name is Timothy, but others may know me as the warrior of good values. My friends and I are going to discuss important values that you can use to become responsible, respectable, and awesome individuals. So are you ready to get the fun started? Awesome! Before we begin, I would like to introduce you to my best friends. This is Max, Emily, and Billy. Now, let's get ready to learn and have fun. Today let's talk about generosity. It's such a good feeling when you are generous to others in need, because it shows that you care for that person's well-being. Being generous to someone helps brighten their day, even if it's just a small gesture, like sharing your toys with someone, or sharing your time to help someone with a problem they are struggling with. So, let's be generous together. Bye for now.
Hey everyone, I am Emily, and today let's talk about being fair to others. It's important to always be fair to others, because it ensures that they are being treated equally and is given the same opportunities, just like everyone else. You can show fairness by taking turns in a sport or school activity to make sure everyone has an equal opportunity to participate, or showing respect to others regardless of their appearance or their background. So, let's always be fair in our actions towards others. See you later.
Hey everyone, I'm Max. Today let's talk about patience. Patience is having the ability to go through life's difficult moments without becoming frustrated or angry. It's about staying calm and peaceful while working towards a specific task. It's not an easy thing to have, especially during difficult moments, but when you practice having patience, it clears your mind and allows you to stay focused on achieving your goals. You can show patience by staying calm in extended situations, such as standing in a long line or waiting for an opportunity, or by changing your mindset to look at failures as learning opportunities. So, until the next lesson, my friends.
Hey there, my name is Billy, and today, I would like to talk about loyalty. Loyalty is the ability to build a strong connection to someone and support that person during difficult and challenging moments in life. It's an extremely strong support system that involves trust, respect, and similar beliefs and values. For example, you can show loyalty by protecting your friends if they are being bullied, or you can be supportive to family members through difficult moments in their lives. And you can also show loyalty by forgiving your friends when they make mistakes in life, and move forward to keep the friendship strong.
Here's a fun fact. Do you know that elephants have excellent memories? They typically use this talent to find different water sources they visited years ago, as a way to survive. They are also the largest animal on land, and can have a weight of 14,000 pounds. Now, that is definitely a heavy animal. And they also love swimming in water.
Hey there, welcome back. Today, I would like to talk about reliability. When you're a reliable person, it means that you can be trusted to follow through with your actions and promises. It's good to be a reliable person because it builds structure in your life and helps you develop a mindset of completing everyday tasks regularly. You can be reliable by keeping your promises and completing tasks, accepting your mistakes and finding solutions for it, and knowing what you can and cannot do to establish achievable goals. Bye for now.
Hey everyone, I'm Max. Today let's talk about perseverance. Perseverance simply means not giving up on a specific task you may be working towards, even though it may seem very difficult to achieve. Most occasions we feel to give up after trying numerous times at something and not being able to achieve it. It's in those moments of feeling to quit that we must keep going It makes us stronger both mentally and physically and encourages us to learn from our mistakes, so we can do better in achieving our dreams. So, if you have a dream, even if it may be difficult to achieve, keep working towards it, and don't ever quit. Remember, you are awesome, so keep working towards achieving your dreams.
Hey everyone, I am Emily, and today let's talk about forgiveness. Forgiveness is allowing yourself to let go of any anger or bitterness that you may have for a person after they have behaved terribly towards you. It's about making a choice to move forward so that you can be mentally healthy and also free yourself from the heavy weight of negative feelings. You can show forgiveness by not thinking about the negative actions of others and choosing to let go of any anger you may have. Also, forgiving someone and not expecting an apology, and by letting go of the past and choosing to move on. See you later.
Welcome back. Today let's talk about gratitude. Gratitude means that you're thankful for everything that you do have, whether it's the clothes you wear or the toys you play with. It's good to show gratitude in life, because it removes the feeling of jealousy towards others, and it encourages you to appreciate the important things in life, such as a home to live in. Always remember, when you find yourself wanting something another person has, there is always someone that wished they had what you have. So, let's always stay thankful and keep showing gratitude in our lives. And that's the end of our lesson today. I hope you had fun learning these important lessons today. And always remember, you too can be a warrior of good values.
Look out for Timothy's lessons in good values. He is the warrior of good values. Teaching life lessons to his friends. It's Timothy. Rescuing his friends from danger. It's the